Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Teams. We're sorry we've run into an issue error. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Accounts. Click Access Work or School. If any account added access or school account, disconnect and reconnect. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Teams, click Uninstall. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %local app data %. Check hidden items. Open Microsoft folder. Delete Teams. Open Roaming folder. Open Microsoft. Delete Teams folder. Type Teams download in browser search bar. Click Download Microsoft Teams. Open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.